Do you want to see the Cliffs of Moher like never before? Hop on the Doolin Ferry and witness these towering cliffs from the sea. Not only will you get stunning views of the cliffs, but you might also spot puffins, dolphins, and even sea caves along the coastline. Trust me, the ocean view is a whole new level of breathtaking. Let's go. Our journey begins on the west coast of Ireland in Doolin, a town worthy for a quick bite and some shopping. After making your way through town, you'll come across this whale statue and a red building. It is in that red building is where you buy the tickets or show your tickets from online. But before you go, make sure you pay for parking. I can't imagine what that parking ticket would be like. Now if you're hungry or thirsty, this little shack has it all for you, from coffees, drinks, and snacks to maybe tide you over. As you make your way down to the boat, you have one last chance to use the restroom before getting on board. But have no fear, the boat does have a small bathroom on board. I do recommend kind of getting there early so you can get in this long line. That way you can get your ticket scanned and queue up before you get on board so you can find a good seat. Make sure to stay till the end to find out the ticket cost and where else the ferry boats serve. Our tour boat has arrived and it's much smaller than anticipated. This should be fun. We wasted no time boarding because nobody got off the boat. Might I suggest that the best seats in the house would be on the rails or in the very back. I took lead and my friends followed. Now watch your step because these steps are very steep. I noticed everybody piling in up front and on the top, so I went straight to the bottom and off to the side and got lucky. As we leave the Doolin Pier, let's talk about the length and experience of this sightseeing cruise. The tour depends on sailing conditions each day. As you will start to see, it is very foggy, cloudy, and gloomy on this journey today. It can last between 45 minutes to 1 hour, but I'm sure the memories will last a lot longer and maybe a lifetime. It operates 7 days a week, March to October, so make sure you book it because sometimes they book up. This ferry service also goes to the Aran Islands, and you can do a combo deal where you can go to Aran Islands and do the Cliffs of Moher ferry tour. I highly recommend this tour, especially when you're trying to see the Cliffs of Moher from above and they're fogged in and gloomy skies. This ain't completely better, but it's better. After going about 20-25 minutes down the coast and spotting all the wildlife I could on my right side, we finally made a dramatic turn and the Cliffs of Moher came into view. Towering over the Atlantic coast of County Clare, Ireland, these cliffs rise to a staggering 700 feet, or about 214 meters at their highest point, stretching for about 12 miles. They date back about 320 million years ago, to a time where this was believed to be underwater. Through millions of years of erosion, tectonic shifts, and weathering, the cliffs were shaped into what we see today. Besides the jaw-dropping views you would see on a clear day of the Cliffs of Moher, are home to an incredible array of wildlife. Over 20 species of seabirds, including puffins and razorbills, call it home. It is believed that one of the largest seabird colonies in Ireland, hosting around 30,000 birds during breeding season. So if you're a bird watcher, this may be your spot. Get those cameras ready and take some amazing shots, especially this right here, the sea stack. Lastly, if you're feeling really adventurous, you can take a stunning coastal walk or hike however you want to word it, along the cliff edge. It runs about 12 miles. As we head back, let's talk about the price tag for all of this, from parking to ferry tickets. An adult will run you about $31, a child $16.50, and children under 4 are free. Parking, however, is €1 per 2 hours, and then €5 anything after that. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like for me, subscribe if you're not already, share with your friends and family, and let me know what you think of this secondary option to see the Cliffs of Moher. Oh, and I hope you get bright and sunny skies, unlike my journey today. But thank you for watching.